Hello students, so I am back again to cover trigonometry. We'll cover trigonometry again today, and before I start I just wanted to remind you, kindly like, share and subscribe, because that gives us a confidence and more, what do you say, motivation to make more videos which might be beneficial for many students who are looking for gaining hold over many concepts. So today we are going to cover trigonometry, and this is for class 10th. And basically in the last class I mentioned three formulas, basic formulas. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. Another one was 1 plus tan square theta equals to sec square theta. Third was 1 plus cot square theta equal to cosec square theta. Another point, if at any point you think these terminologies you find it too difficult, you can very well go and I have made videos on trigonometry basics. We can very well refer to what do you mean by sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, everything. So you can, so in the last class we derived all these formulas using Pythagoras theorem. Using Pythagoras, many people say Pythagoras, but pardon me, I say it Pythagoras theorem. So you can refer to that video, but today we will learn this formula. Is the easiest one, you know. Many students memorize this: sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1, sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Anyone can memorize this, but when it comes down to the second formula, they get confused. So let's say you remember this formula. How do you derive the other two? So let's derive the second one. 1 plus tan square theta. How much is that? So let's do this. Let's convert tan theta into sin theta by cos. Tan theta is very well know you, right? Sin theta is cos theta by cos theta, sin theta by cos theta. So this becomes 1 plus sin square theta by cos square theta. You LCM that. LCM you know, right? So cos square theta, don't say no, and don't ask me to take a class on LCM and HCF. Cos square theta plus sin square theta, this you know is 1. So using that, this is 1 by cos square theta. And what is 1 by cos theta? Very well, sec theta. You know that, right? So this is sec square theta. That is what is there in this formula. Similarly, if you want to derive this one, let's derive it here. No, I'll rub this. I believe you are clear on this. Fine. Let's move on to the third one. So even if somebody asks you what is 1 plus tan square theta, you'll say, let me calculate, give me some time. You change tan into sin and cos, sin square theta by cos square theta, take the LCM. Sin square theta plus cos, you can do that mentally too. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1 by cos square theta, sec square theta. 1 plus cot square theta. Similarly, 1 plus cot square theta is 1 plus cot is, did I say cot? No, I never. No problem. cot is reciprocal of tan theta. So if tan theta is sin theta by cos theta, cot theta is cos theta by sin theta. So this is cos square theta by sin square theta. You take the LCM, sin square theta plus cos square theta, which is 1 by sin square theta, and 1 by sin square theta, 1 by sin theta. Sorry guys, 1 by sin square theta is cosec theta. So this is cosec square theta. That is the third formula. I hope I am clear. Let me know if you have any questions. Always you can have questions. There is no harm in asking questions. You can very well ask in the comment section. And then we'll move on another topic in today's class. We'll move on with, in class 10 we have something called angle of elevation, angle of depression. I'll explain that to you today, and what is its application. So say you have it depends. There are two terminologies. Angle of elevation. Before that, you memorize this table, which you will find in every book. I'll write it here. Anytime you can refer to it. I'll always write this. This table is important. Sin theta, cos theta, tan theta. Zero, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree. These are special angles in trigonometry. Sin 0 is 0, sin 30 is 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1. Now when you do cos theta, you reverse this. 1 root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, cos theta is 0. Tan theta, sin theta by cos theta, 0 by 1 is 0. This divided by this is 1 by root 3. This is same, divide by is 1. This is root 3 by 1, and this is infinity. So angle of elevation, this table these are special angles. If you want, if I get enough requests, I can tell you how do you derive all these values. There is always a method. These are how anyone who told that sin theta will be 1 by 2, he how did he derive that? I can very well create a video on that, but not at this point of time. I assume you know this. Okay. So there are two things: angle of elevation, and there is another thing, angle of depression. This is in class 10th. You will definitely get one question, 5 marks at least, on this topic in CBSE board examination class 10th. You're bound to. I mean, it's obvious. You'll get that. But if you know the concept and if you know how to apply it. So, angle of elevation comes into picture when you are standing at the bottom at any point at ground level. You are given a, say, what do I say? You are given say monument or a tall figure, right? A skyscraper building, and then you are also given the angle. You are standing here. This is you. this is the base of the pillar or whatever, base of whatever they say, and this is the height. This is the height, and you are asked, they provide you with this angle, either they will or they will not. They provide you with this angle, they will give you this distance. So practically what do you do, you know? See, getting on top of a skyscraper, it can be difficult, right? So what you do, you put a, not a protector, you stand here, you take a machine, and it will have a hollow in that, you can see through it. You stand at a distance, you keep on rotating the machine, and it has angle, it will show you the angle, and keep on rotating, and as soon as you see the tip of the building or whatever, monument or anything, you stop, say 37 degrees. So if you know sine 30 and everything, you have a predefined value of sine 37 also, 0 point whatever, some value. If you know that value, you also know this one, you can calculate the height of the building. But we will not go by sine 37, we will go by sine 30, because that's the question, because in class 10th you don't calculate values or anything like that. So you know, this is the base, right? This is 90 degree, right? This is the hypotenuse, and this is the perpendicular, I would say, but I would say height of the building, and this is your base. So now first thing you have to think, and they give you the base. This is known, right? It can be, say, 10 meters. So this is what needs to be calculated. This is what you have. So this is perpendicular and this is base. Which parameter relates these two? That's tan theta, right? Perpendicular by base. It depends upon the question. Sometimes they may ask this one. You are given this. So this is you have to correlate this and this. So base and hypotenuse, that is correlated by cos theta. Cos theta is base by hypotenuse. If they give you this, calculate this, you understand, right? I mean, it depends. But for this problem, since we are given the base length is 10 meters, you want to calculate the height of the building, you simply apply tan theta. Tan 30 degree, here theta is 30 degree, is perpendicular by hypotenuse. Tan theta is 1 by root 3 equals to perpendicular by base is 10 meters. So root 3p is equal to 10. So p is how much? 10 by root 3. You know, right? Into root 3 by root 3 you have to do, just so that 10 root 3 by 3. So this becomes, either you can leave it by like this, or you can very well do the approximate value of, put the approximate value of this one. This is 17.32 by 3, sorry, and this is 3 5s are 15, 2 3, 3 7s are 21, 2 2, 3 7s are 21, something like that, 3. So that's the height of the building. I hope I was clear on this. So this is angle of elevation. What is the angle of elevation? The angle which you have to tilt to look at the top. There are many machines, right? You stand here at any distance, you sit, you rotate, To make calculations better, I put 30 degree, because in class 10 you don't have to deal with tan 31 or tan 35. No, these are the only values you need to remember. That's all. That covers everything till class 10. 11th, 12th, you have many things coming up. No worries at this point of time. I hope I made myself clear. Okay. Second topic we'll cover is angle of depression. Do like and subscribe for many more videos, because I'll be covering each and every topic in your class 10th syllabus, 9th syllabus, anything. And if you want additional topics which I have not discussed so far, you can very well ask me to do that. Request me to do that, I would say. Okay. So, angle of depression. You are standing at the top of the building. Here. Top of the building, top of the hill. You can be standing on the mountain. You are at the top. And a person is here. And something, so your eyesight is this one, right? This is your eyesight. You look straight, right? When you stand, you have to tilt, right, to see the building. How much? 30 degree, say 30 degree. And this is the diagram. This is ground floor. This is building, and you are at the top, not at the ground level. This is the ground level. This is nothing. This is just the point where the person is standing. It may be a person, it can be a girl, it can be a boy, whatever. It can be a box, it can be a vehicle, whatever. To look at that vehicle, you look straight, and the amount of angle that you have to bend to see that person, that angle is given or not given or whatever. And you are given something else, the height of the building maybe, say 20 meters, and you are asked, and the question is how much, say this is 45, okay, to make it a little simpler, you are asked what is the, at what distance the person standing from the base of the building, you are asked. So this is what is asked, question mark. That's the problem statement. So again, you know, this is asked, this is you know. Okay. First of all, you know, right, alternate angles. This angle is equal to this angle, right? Z angles, it can be either this shape or this shape. These two angles are equal. These two angles are equal. So similarly, this angle is equal to this angle, which is 45 degree. And what do you use? Tan, sin, cos. We will use tan because this is given and this is asked. What is the distance? The question is, what is the distance of the person from the base of the building? From base of the building. That is the question. So simple, you know, we'll apply tan theta, tan 45 degree. Now tan 45 is perpendicular by base, that is equal to 20 by, say this is the base x, if I say it base or x or whatever, x. Tan 45 is 1 equal to 20 by x, x is equals to 20 meters. I hope I was clear on this. Still, if you have any questions, please feel free to ask. We'll cover many more topics, more problem solvings. If you want, I can pick up a trigonometry, whatever, sum or calculation, or prove the following, left hand side equal to right hand side, any type of equations. We'll cover those in the next class, upcoming class. Thank you so much for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Thanks.